So you want us to put it in a standard form. Okay, how should I do that? What do you propose I do?
We find the lowest common denominator, which is 3. Then times, we multiply everything with the lowest common denominator.
To work with this inequality. So first, let's say we're looking for critical values, né? And then change this thing and say we have 6x squared minus 3x all over 3, which is going to be equaling to 3x squared. Because I don't want us to work with the inequality.
Yes.
So we treat it like an equal sign. Okay, 3x squared. Okay, so you said the LCD is 3. We're going to multiply with the LCD, né?
Yes.
So I'm going to multiply by 3 this side, and then I'm also going to multiply by 3 this side. 3 and 3, they divide each other out. And then what are you left with here?
We are left with 6x squared. 6x minus 3x.
Minus 3x is equaling to?
Equal to 6x
squared by 3.
9. Oh, 9. Oh, 9.
It's 9x squared. Né? Okay, what should I do from here?
Then you transpose the 9x.
Okay, if we transpose the 9x, we have minus 9x squared plus 6x squared minus 3x, which is going to be 0.
Yes.
Okay.
Then, Mr., do we remove the like terms?
Yeah, the like terms here. We can say 9 minus 3. So we have minus 9 plus 6, which is going to give us minus 3x squared minus 3.
Yeah, 3x, Mr.
3x, né?
Yes.
Which is going to be 0. Okay, what should we do from here?
When we take out the common factor, which is negative 3.
Negative 3 is common.
Then we are left with x minus o plus 1.
Okay, sure.
Which is equal to, yes. Then we can use the zero factor rule, because the negative 3x squared multiplies the x plus 1.
Okay, we have minus 3, which is going to be 0, or we have x plus 1, which is going to be 0.
Yes.
Okay, so from here we say divide by 3, divide by minus 3, it says x is going to be 0, or x is going to be equal to minus 1. And then we try to represent this graphically. Let's check what we have. What should I start with here?
We start with negative 1.
Negative 1.
Then 0.
Then we have 0. 0. Okay.
Yes.
Now you are going to check about smiling. We're going to talk about A when you have it in a standard form. So here's our standard form here. You can't talk about A here because you have 6 and then you also have squared here. Which one is going to be A? You don't know. Ne? So your A is going to start once you put it in a standard form. Once you have one side should be equaling to 0. So what do you say about this A? Is it positive or negative, this A?
It's negative.
It's negative. So it means we are going to have something which is what? Which is sad. Ne?
Yes.
Okay, we have a sad face. And then what are they asking us here? Are they asking us about below or above?
It's below.
It's below.
Below the line. Yes.
So we're going to come and highlight below the line. Below the line.
Yes.
And then there's a break in between. Can you see that? The line is not solid, so there's a break in between. In relation to minus 1, what will you say the values this side? Are they bigger than minus 1 or less than minus 1?
They are less than minus 1.
So x is going to be less than minus, or less or equals to minus 1.
It's less or equals to minus 1.
Or, yeah, this side. In relation to 0, what will you say?
X is greater. Yeah, it's greater than 0.
X
or equals. It's greater or equals to 0.
Greater or equals to 0. Okay, thank you very much, Litabo. I think I'm going to say let's